Hello, we need to talk about the exchange rate. It is kind of difficult talking about an exchange rate because there is different ones. There is not such single exchange rate, but there is different ones, the direct quote and the indirect quote. If we take a look at the euro and the United States dollar, for example, we can say that the direct quote is, if we see it from the European perspective, the direct quote is the number of euros you have to pay to get one single US dollar. And the indirect quote is just the other way around. The indirect quote is, of course, again, seen from the European perspective, how many dollars do you have to pay to get one single euro? So it's kind of difficult. If we say that the exchange rate rises, does that mean what currency appreciates and which currency depreciates? It's kind of hard to say. So keep the following in mind. If the direct quote goes up, if the exchange rate in direct quote goes up, this means that the foreign currency appreciates and the domestic currency depreciates. For example, we have as of now, year 2015, the exchange rate between the US dollar and the euro is 0.9 euro per dollar, 0.9 euro per dollar, or seen the other way around, it is 1.1 dollar per euro. So if we, again, seen from the European perspective, if we put it into the direct quote, which means 0.9 euros for one single US dollar, and this exchange rate goes up, the direct quote rises. What does that mean? Which currency appreciates, which currency depreciates? It's hard to tell, but it's the following. The following is true. You have to, if it's 0.9, you have to pay 90 European euro cents to get one single US dollar. And if it rises, for example, to 1 euro per dollar, so after it, you have to pay 1 euro, not 90 euro cents any longer, but one entire euro to get 1 US dollar. So, which means that the foreign currency, the United States, the US dollar has risen, has appreciated, whereas the domestic currency, the euro, has depreciated. Do you understand this? Do you get this? It's very important to get it. So again, if the direct quote rises, the foreign currency appreciates and the domestic currency depreciates. But always keep in mind what's the direct quote. Is it the direct quote seen from, say, the European perspective or the United States perspective or the Australian perspective or whatever? So first of all, you have to make sure the perspective you're looking at. And so again, if the direct quote rises from 0.9 euro per dollar to, say, 1, this means that you no longer have to pay 90 euro cents for $1, but you have to pay 1 entire euro for $1, which means that the US dollar has appreciated and the euro has depreciated. That's it for now. I'm Daniel Lambert, Berlin.